So we're gonna sing for Jesus. 3, 2, 1. Jesus, 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 keep me alive, wash my sins, keep me here, pray to Lord, call us home when you're ready, keep us alive, take the bad spirits away.